guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is about a review on Boat Storm smartwatch. Actually, I thought of doing an unboxing video on it, but later on I thought let me just use it for a month and come up with a review video. So I purchased it through Flipkart, and just to show you guys, I just kept this box. So the watch came in this box, and in this box I just got this watch and a charging cable. That's it I got. And you will be surprised to know that this Boat Storm watch we're gonna get it at a moderate price rate of around 2,500 rupees. Good range, you know. So getting a smartwatch at that range, it's worth it. So in this video, I'm going to share all the basic features of this watch and as well how to set up this watch or monitor all your calories or your steps with the help of an app in your Android as well as iOS devices. So without further ado, let's start the video.
Watch comes with 1.3 inches full touchscreen display, and this is made of metal body casing. So let's see what are the features. If you swipe up, you can see how many steps you have walked, and you can set your target manually with the help of the app. And if you scroll up again, you can see how many kilometers you walked, how many calories you burnt, and this right button is used to go back. And if you swipe right, you can see there are so many activities like sports. You can check your heart rate, you can check your blood oxygen level, your blood pressure. So let's see, if you click on the sports, you can see that there are so many activities which you can do, like walking, running. You can set these manually too. And you can check your heart rate, you can check your blood oxygen level, and you can even try meditating with the help of this Relax. You have to just select how many minutes you want to do meditation, and then you can do it. You can control your music, then check your sport records, like what all activities you did, like how many minutes you worked out. All these things will be fed here. If you swipe left, you can just you can click on this will help in monitoring your heartbeat. But if you want to save your battery, then you can just turn it off. I basically turn it off. And this option is used to find the location of your phone. If you don't know where your phone is, then you can just click on it, then your ringtone will play and you can find your phone. You can go to settings, and then you can change whichever dial you want. There are so many designs. And if you want to change your phone brightness level as per your requirement, you can change it. So these are the basic features which is available. I won't say it's something new thing, because these features are available in almost all the smartwatches.
So that's all about the basic features. Now let's see how to set this up with the help of Boat ProGear app. So firstly you have to install this Boat ProGear app, and once you click on open, then just give agree, then just give all the permissions, then wait for some time until and unless it connects, then click on Storm, let it synchronize, then just give confirm. Okay, then you can select your gender, then you can select your date of birth, whichever it is, and then you can select your height and your weight, and then you can set your goal, like you can give what is your day-to-day goal, like 8,000 steps you want to cover 1,000 steps or 10,000 steps, depends upon your stamina. And then you can select like for how many hours you want to sleep, like for 7 hours or 8 hours, you can set that. And if you are somebody who is in your weight loss journey or weight gain journey, you can set like what's your weight goal, you can select, and how many calories do you want to burn for a single day, you can select that. Then how many kilometers you want to walk, you can select that. Then you just select and then just give allow, and then once
turn it on and let this synchronizing complete. Then later on, whatever how many steps you have walked will be displayed on the screen. It takes some time to synchronize. Yeah. So today you have covered so many steps, it will show. And then guys, you can select if you want any call alerts, and you can give this here, then just give allow, then just give allow, and then just select for how many seconds after the call rings your watch should vibrate. You can select that, like 1 second, 2 seconds, or after 10 seconds, depend upon however you want. Save your changes, and then you can go this, and for additional settings you can select any sedentary alerts or something, but I would suggest to keep it off. And then you can select your alarm, you can add at what time you want to get up, you can add additional alarms at whatever time, you can give yes, just wait for some time. Then you can click on this SNS alerts, you can select which all first before setting this you have to just click on this and just tell accept. Okay, and then just go back and then allow notification, which all notifications you want to display. You can select WhatsApp, Snapchat, Telegram, whichever as per your needs. And you can select the music control, like which music app you want to control. You can just give here and select MX player or whatever based upon your needs. And then you can click on healthcare, and you can track your menstruation cycles. If you're a type of girl who forgets your period date, then you can just give your last period date, and the next month it will notify your menstrual cycle. This way you can keep a track of your menstruation. Select your activities, then you can select here your which all activities you want to do. Like for example, if you are somebody who wants running, then you can keep running first, or if you're someone who loves yoga, then you can just drag it as the first priority, then walking as the first, second running. If you don't want this bike, you can just cancel it. Climbing you can cancel. If you want to add workout, then add workout. Spinning you can cancel. If you want workout here, you can add it, then just go back, and then you're done. So these are the things which you can set up, or you can monitor. You can monitor your sleep alerts and all. Just go to home. Here you can see your activities. Here you can see like how many hours you slept, all those things, like which was your deep sleep, your how many hours you worked, how many hours you had a light sleep. You can all observe this. So yeah, you can just set up your profile like by giving the same things what I told you. You can set, if you want to change your goals, you can go here and you can change it. And if you want to set up your profile, you can set here. And yeah, this was some basic settings.
So that's all about today's video. I hope you like this video. So if you are somebody who is willing to purchase a smartwatch at a low price range or a moderate price, then you can definitely go for this watch. I assure you that you won't be disappointed with this watch. But if you are someone who is looking for some extraordinary features or some additional features, then you can purchase the other watches. There are many options in the market. But if you're okay with the basic features and as well as at a low price, then you can definitely go for this. The battery backup of this watch is way too much good. It comes like once if you charge 100% for one day, it can last up to 10 days. I usually charge my watch for like 15 days or 13 to 14 days once. So it's really amazing. I would suggest you to buy this watch. You can buy it through Amazon or Flipkart. I have mentioned the link in the description. I would highly recommend you to buy this watch if you want a watch at a moderate price. So if you are somebody who are in your weight loss journey or weight gain journey, and you want to track your calories or how many steps you walk, then please go for a smartwatch. It will be like a best friend to you. So that's all about today's video. If you like this video, then please hit the thumbs up and share it to your friends, family and relatives. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and please hit the bell icon So let's meet in the next video. Until then, tada!